Anthropic just quietly released 13 free AI courses. Here's the full breakdown, recommendation, and the order that makes sense depending on what you do for work. Start here. Claude 101. If you have never really dug into Claude beyond just typing, the course have projects, artifacts, skills, connectors, and research mode. Claude 101 is broken into short modules, and at the end, there are role specific breakdowns for marketers, writers, analysts, and operations people. For developers, Claude Code 1 Code in Action. After basics, it splits into two tracks, one for people who write code, one for people who don't. If you are a developer, your next two courses are 101 and Claude Code in Action. Claude Code is Anthropic command line tool, and 101 gives you the foundation. Claude Code in Action is the fastest practical course in the entire academy. 1 hour and you walk out with an Anthropic certificate and a real understanding of agentic coding workflows. Building with the Claude API, Claude Code handles your day-to-day development work. But if you want to actually build applications on top of Claude, you need this course. Claude API course covers the full production toolkit, building and evaluating prompts, creating custom and external tools, and understanding the agent architectures of applications. Whether you are building a chatbot, an automation tool, or AI-powered features inside an existing product, Claude API is the course that teaches you how to structure it properly. Connecting Claude to everything, MCP. Once you are building real applications, the next is connecting Claude to your files, calendar, database, whatever your workflow actually depends on. That is what MCP is for. Model Context Protocol is the standard that lets Claude talk to external tools and services. It is the most structured way to learn it. The follow-up is MCP Advanced Topics, understanding MCP to actually deploying it in production. It covers sampling, notifications, system access, and choosing the right transport for server. For non-developers, AI Fluency Framework and Foundations. Half the academy is built for people who never touch code, and this is the first course in that track. AI Fluency Framework for working with AI effectively, efficiently, ethically, and safely. It is built around four ideas they call the 4Ds. Delegation, when to use AI. Description, how to ask clearly. Discernment, judging the output. Diligence, you are still responsible. Now the final two courses, Claude with Amazon Bedrock and Claude with Google Vertex AI. These are deployment-focused courses. If you use AWS, take the Bedrock course. It covers integrating Claude into enterprise infrastructure. If you use Google Cloud, take the Vertex AI. If neither applies to you, skip these courses. The biggest surprise is how much high-quality material Anthropic is giving away for free. Most companies would package content like this into a paid certification program, but right now, the entire academy is available at no cost. No matter how powerful Claude becomes, the quality of the results still depends heavily on the instructions you give it. Comment for details.